Let's make the grog recipe from 12 bottle bar. We are going to make this drink in the glass. It's either going to be a Collins glass or a rocks glass, or if you want more, use a pint. I'd say use any glass that you really like. I'm going to start with a Collins glass, and I'm going to finish with a Collins glass. And I'm going to start by putting 2 teaspoons of sugar into my Collins glass. And the recipe does specify light brown sugar or raw cane sugar. I'm using raw cane. 2 teaspoons is something in metrics. I'll let you know what it is in the comments, or not the comments, well, the comments and the subtitles down below. Next, we're going to put in half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Next, 4 ounces of water. And if I was just drinking this on my own, enjoying it on my deck, I would not measure, but for the sake of the video, I am going to measure out 4 ounces. 4 ounces is 120 milliliters. Now, I'm going to stir this until the sugar dissolves. Be right back with you. Okay, I think that's dissolved enough. I'm now going to add some ice. I'm going to use my hands because I'll probably be drinking this later. Now, 2 ounces of your amber rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Give it another stir. I don't know why there are 2 stirs. Add a straw, and add a garnish. The garnish is a lime wheel. And there you have it, the 12 bottle bar grog. Drink with good spirits.